Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Blue color, light pink color, yellow color, dark green color, black color, peacock green color, sky blue color, violet color, brown color, green color, orange color, red color. Let's draw the shape. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Triangle. Square. Pie. Light pink color. Heart. Heart. Light pink color. Sky blue color. Star. Star. Sky blue color. Orange color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Orange color. Peacock green color. Triangle. Triangle. Peacock green color. Red color. Square. Square. Red color. Green color. Pie. Pie. Green color. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Triangle. Square. Pie. Light pink color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Peacock green color. Red color. Green color. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.